Welcome to the T10 portal. Today's video is about the top 10 best Hollywood movies you should watch before you die. Death Day is a must watch for you. It is a low budget movie with high satisfaction. In this movie, a college student realizes that she is being stuck in a time loop in which she is being murdered again and again. The Shallows is a treat for survival and drama thriller fans. In this movie, the seashore is just 200 meters away, but to reach there, the girl has to survive through a deadly giant shark. Though this movie is a very low budget movie, it still gives a very realistic feel. The Aeronauts is said to be a visual treat and is a survival drama thriller. In this movie, a widow and a scientist sets out to mount a balloon expedition to fly higher than anyone in history. The unlikely duo soon discover things about themselves and each other, which helps both of them to find their place in the world. We as audience usually tend to judge a movie by its poster or the trailer, but The Escape Room is not to be judged like that, as it will surprise you by its tricks, puzzles and edge of the seat experience. In this movie, 6 strangers are secretly invited to the escape room and are supposed to solve the puzzle and escape the room within the given time. After watching No Escape, I have become a huge fan of Hollywood. The story is about an American family who has relocated in Southeast Asia, in which there is a sudden breakout of a civil war, and how the family survives and manages to escape the country. This movie is an amazing mixture of action, drama, emotions, and it is a must watch. The Ruin is the oldest movie in our list and it is an amazing horror thriller. In this movie, few friends go on an archaeological vacation in the jungles of Mexico. The friends unknowingly reach a place which is very dangerous and evil. I would suggest to watch this movie at your own risk as the visuals are very disturbing. Okja is directed by Bong Joon-ho, the best director of the decade. You might have seen many movies about the deep relation between a dog and a human or an elephant and a human, but this movie is about a huge biogenetically created pig and a little girl, in which the girl fights the world to save the pig from getting into someone's stomach. The movie Ralph Breaks the Internet can become one of your favorite animated movies. This movie's fantasy adventure is so realistic that you will feel yourself inside the movie. And the reason behind this is Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and many other viral social platforms which are shown in a very realistic and outstanding way. Besides, this movie will teach you the real meaning of friendship. It will also teach you that how internet can become a blessing as well as a curse. We also have the movie Searching on number 3. This is a thriller drama story of a father who has lost his 16-year-old daughter. The entire town, including the police and the civilians, gets on in finding his daughter. The only clue that he has is a daughter's laptop. Hardcore Henry is not just a good but a great news for all the action lovers. It is a sci-fi action movie and a story of a half human and a half robot. The camera is placed on hero's face so that you can get a gameplay experience. This type of movie is also called first person point of view movie. Directed by Bong Joon-ho, this movie is said to be made by a magician and not a director. If the difference between the rich and the poor will increase, the problems will also increase. With this concept in the center, an action, comedy and drama movie is made, Snowpiercer. With great camera work and action scenes, this movie teaches us very important lessons of life. We are the T10 portal. I thank you so much for watching.